Welcome back and thank you for joining again. In this recording, we will be covering the following functions: object or vehicle list and widgets, driver's window, address window, and geofence window. To view vehicles on the map screen, click on the tracking button. In Netstar FleetAI, vehicles are often referred to as objects, and the vehicles will be displayed in the object window. Basic vehicle information is viewable here, and you can also customize the object information you'd prefer to see. Click on the settings icon in the top right hand side of the object window, and the object list will appear on the far right hand side of your screen. Check the boxes for the object details you would like to see in the object window and click on the Save button to apply changes. Please note that certain object information such as sensors and video telematics will only be made available provided the vehicle in question has the accessories or product fitted. You will also see 6 color status tabs for the vehicles listed in the object window. These tabs will give a count for the total number of vehicles based on the status selected, namely green or running for vehicles that are currently moving or being driven, yellow or idle for vehicles that are stationary and the vehicle ignition is deemed on but not moving, red or stopped for vehicles that are stationary and the vehicle ignition is deemed off, blue or inactive for vehicles that have not reported for 24 hours or more, light gray or no data for vehicles that are assigned to a user's profile but have not reported into the user interface, and dark gray or total will display all vehicles assigned to the user's profile in the object window as well as on the map if the vehicle or vehicles have reported into the user interface. As displayed when clicking on either one of the vehicle status tabs, the object window will display any vehicles listed under the tab you have selected. Click on the driver tab to view all driver details a user has captured in Netstar FleetAI. Here, you will also see 5 color status tabs, namely blue or available, displays drivers whose status is flagged as available for allocation to a vehicle, orange or not available, displays drivers whose status is flagged as not available for allocation to a vehicle, light purple or on leave, displays drivers whose status is flagged as on leave, green or allocated, displays drivers that have been allocated to a vehicle, and red or not allocated displays drivers that have not been allocated to a vehicle. As displayed when clicking on either one of the driver status tabs, you will view the drivers listed under the status selected. Additionally, if needed, you can download the driver list by clicking on the XLS or PDF buttons below. The address window will list all physical locations associated with a specific vehicle or fleet. An address can be locations like the driver's home address, office address, or warehouse the vehicle is based at, or any other location that is relevant to the tracking of the vehicle. In this window, you can add an address by clicking on the Add Address button or upload a file with the specific addresses you'd like to reference in the system. When uploading, a sample file can be downloaded first in order to ensure that the correct format is being used for the details being uploaded. Similar to addresses, geofences are physical locations associated with a specific vehicle or fleet. Often, geofences are referred to as points of interest, particularly used to manage vehicle activity in areas considered hotspots, high risk, or even no-go areas, for example. You can add a geofence by clicking on the Add Geofence button. Click here to view vehicles currently reporting at the geofence you are viewing, and to edit a geofence you have already created, click here. Here is a quick summary of what we have covered in this recording. To view your vehicles or fleet, click on the Tracking tab. Here, users will have the ability to see the basic vehicle information based on the object details pre-selected to be displayed. The 6 color status tabs can be clicked on to allow a user to view vehicles based on the status they've selected. Click on the dark gray or total tab to view all vehicles. The driver list will display drivers captured and loaded on the user's profile. The 5 color status tabs can also be clicked on to view drivers based on the status they've been flagged under. click here to change the driver status. Addresses and geofences are physical locations associated with a specific vehicle or fleet. A user can create addresses and geofences to monitor vehicle activity in and out of various points of interest. For more detailed instructions on how to add addresses and geofences, please have a look at video 6 in lesson 4. Up next is video 3 of lesson 2, Vehicle Tracking and Navigation.